Is it time to buy or sell Disney stock? In this video, we will explore Disney in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, and we are now here to offer you a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2024, our system has categorized Disney as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.24. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions with a gain of 0.29%. This results in an average return of 0.10% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend support of $85.44 be breached, it will signal a potentially accelerated rate of decline. The 3-month trend indicates a likely change of approximately -14.71% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -15.48% and -6.71%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 21.78% over the coming year, with potential returns between 21.69% and 85.38%. This corresponds to a projected price range of $104.91 to $159.82 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Disney includes the headline, Disney stock price ended at $86.21 on Friday, after gaining nearly 0.3%. The Disney stock price increased by nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, rising from $85.96 to $86.21. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 1.81%, ranging from a low of $84.72 to a high of $86.25. The price has decreased in 5 of the last 10 days and has fallen by 4.14% during this period. Volume also dropped on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 12 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.05 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $123.74, while the lowest was $78.73. Currently, the price stands 30.33%, or $37.53, below the 52-week high, and 57.54%, or $116.81, below the all-time high of $203.02, which occurred on the 8th of March, 2021. The Walt Disney Company has exhibited significant volatility this week, navigating through fluctuations in a mixed stock market. Despite some encouraging developments, Disney's stock declined 4.5% following its third-quarter earnings report. This report, while showcasing robust overall revenue and earnings, raised concerns regarding theme park operations and the acquisition of Hulu. Investors may exercise caution in the short term as these uncertainties linger. Looking ahead, Disney's plan to invest $5 billion in filmmaking across Europe and the United Kingdom over the next 5 years signals a strategic growth initiative. This investment could enhance content development and position the company advantageously within the competitive entertainment landscape. Moreover, it may positively influence stock performance over the long term by expanding Disney's content library and strengthening its global presence. The success of recent releases, such as Inside Out 2 and Deadpool and Wolverine, further underscores Disney's resilience at the box office, potentially fostering positive sentiment among investors. The upcoming D23 fan convention is expected to amplify this sentiment as the company unveils its future film lineup. However, the anticipated crackdown on password sharing for Disney Plus could result in short-term fluctuations in subscriber numbers. Nonetheless, this move aims to stabilize long-term revenue streams by maximizing the number of available subscriptions. Overall, while the immediate outlook seems mixed, Disney's strategic investments and strong content pipeline indicate potential for recovery and growth in the longer term. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James assigned the Walt Disney Company an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Bank of America Securities rated the Walt Disney Company with a buy designation alongside a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, Seaport Global gave the Walt Disney Company a negative rating with a downgrade action. On that day, Deutsche Bank also rated the Walt Disney Company with a buy designation and a hold recommendation. Lastly, on Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, Seaport Global assigned a neutral grade to the Walt Disney Company along with a downgrade action. Analysts have provided a general neutral rating for Disney stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Disney. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by approximately 0.291%. Further gains are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could influence short-term developments. The Disney stock currently reflects sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. There is also a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of $88.36 and $95. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is a sell signal present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 67 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Disney finds support from accumulated volume at $85.96. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences moderate movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.53 between its highest and lowest points, which equates to 1.81%. In the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Disney, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.12. It is vital to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Disney. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Disney is at $89.97. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Disney faces its first support level at $85.96. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Disney, according to multiple analyst sources, is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of July, 2024, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider sale of 1,155 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Coleman Sonia L. also conducted an insider purchase of 1,155 shares of Disney common stock. Additionally, on the 17th of July, 2024, Coleman Sonia L. sold 586 shares of Disney common stock. On this date, Woodford Brent made an insider purchase of 1,179 shares of Disney common stock. Also on the 17th of July, Woodford Brent sold 288 shares of Disney common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 27.972. In total, insiders have acquired 101,666 shares and sold 55,198 shares over the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Disney stock a good buy? Currently, Disney exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad downward trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of August, we forecast that Disney will open lower by approximately 483 of a dollar and begin trading at $85.73. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.